Good morning. It's the middle of June, specifically the 19th. Hope you're having a great week. And, I sat out on the deck last night and enjoyed a breeze and what I would call moderate humidity for this time of year. And it was fantastic. We were in an early summer pattern, no doubt about it, a little bit on the warm side of normal. Here this morning, what I'm showing you is a satellite loop with radar on top of it and mid level jet stream winds on top of that. And the point I'm trying to make about this is that in the summertime, this all retreats north. So the main jet stream flow is going like this, but then every once in a while we get a little system like this, which will drop in, and with time that'll move across the northern plains, sweeping a front close to us by later in the week. But for now, for this morning, we have a big old center of high pressure. That's this thing right here aloft, keeping us in lower 90-degree temperatures. And you can see for yourself where all the storms have gone up here in the northern plains, with clusters of showers and thunderstorms traversing the northern plains. They are quite used to this time of year, and the only shot we have at rain is if we can coax a front near us, and that only shot, I believe, is on Thursday, the way it appears now. And I can also take a look at the temperatures across the Midwest here. And let's turn on the other indicator as well, the actual temperatures. So we're talking about 7:30 in the morning here. I'm recording this, and we're already well into the 70s and getting close to 80 in some areas already this time of morning. So very, very warm conditions, certainly, and that's not going to change essentially. So if you liked yesterday, you'll love today, and most likely about the same on Wednesday. Our high temperature yesterday was 92, and we're going to average about 1 or 2 degrees. Probably about the 90 to 92 degree range across the Ozarks here. Here's the morning weather map. This is at the surface of the Earth, and again, similar features. The fronts always hang out where the jet stream winds are, and those are there. And what you're wanting for rain is to coax one of these, maybe not through the Ozarks, but get it close, like northern Missouri, and that I think will happen later in the week. But the pump of warm temperatures, so this high right here, all the winds are coming off that and around and up, and yeah, that has sent our humidity up a little bit noticeably, but not oppressively. In my view, here in the summer, we could be doing a lot worse. Here's the temperature pattern. We got the two hot periods, the one that we're experiencing today and tomorrow. And then on Thursday, readings back off a little bit. Notice the computer models are in disagreement. It all hinges on the rain possibilities, with these solutions tending toward rain and cloudy conditions keeping the temperatures cool, and others maybe saying it's going to be a little hotter. In both cases, though, I think it'll be cooler than what we're experiencing right now. We give it a break also on Friday, and then here's Saturday and Sunday, mid-90s, I think, are in the bag during that time frame. Here's the rain possibility, one shot. And the computer models, at least this morning, are saying maybe a third of an inch out of this. But this is very fickle in both time and amount, so I wouldn't put a lot of stock in it. And this is how June has looked so far for us. Here's the normal high temperature line right here, and you can see for yourself clusters of days where we have easily averaged above that mark. Our low temperatures have done the same. And here this morning, I'll show you also what we expect to happen in the upper levels of the atmosphere. This is the same map I showed you, basically, just slightly different colors. So right in through there is the disturbance moving through the Great Plains in the upper atmosphere that will send the front into northern Missouri, again close enough to maybe give us a shot at rain, and then that feature backs away as we go into the weekend, another ridge of high pressure. Now this has changed. It was centered up more over the Ozarks yesterday, but it's close enough to give us hot temperatures through the weekend, and with few rain chances. I hope you get some on Thursday. Otherwise, enjoy what I would call moderate summer weather. I'll have another report tomorrow.